Hello, my name is Bo with Dean Safe Company, and today I want to show you guys how to take a standard rifle safe off of a pallet after shipping. You know, we're getting this question quite a bit lately, so we wanted to show the easiest and safest way to do that. We're going to do that right now. Like I said, we're going to show you today how to take a gun safe off of a pallet. And the technique we're going to use today, for lack of a better word, is spinning the safe off of the pallet. And I'm going to talk you through it first, and then we're going to actually do it. Excuse our mess here a little bit. This is one of our many warehouses that we have that we use to store some of our used safes in. So we just grabbed a used safe. It weighs about 550 pounds. This technique I'm going to show you is good on safes up to about 750, 800 pounds. When you get over 800 pounds, you're going to have to use a little bit different technique. But this works, you know, for your typical average gun safe, if you will, under 800 pounds. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually spin this safe 90 degrees on the pallet, lean it, go to the back side, and push up on it and kick the pallet. Kind of sounds a little confusing right there, but I'm going to show you what that looks like. And here we go. So when you get the safe at your house, it's going to be bolted to the pallet. I've already gone ahead and unbolted this safe from this pallet. So that's one step that we're not showing right now that you're going to have to do. But that's already done on this one. So what you do in this case is we're going to spin this counterclockwise. So we're going to spin it to the left there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my left foot to block the pallet from spinning also. And I'll show you what we're going to do. We're just going to grab the back of the safe, and we're going to grab the front of the safe here and spin it. And it takes a little bit of time, but you're just going to spin it here 90 degrees, like I said. Like I said, this is a 550 pound safe. You have to think about when you're dealing with a gun safe too, it's top heavy, so the leverage is a little bit different. If this was 550 pounds and it was a foot tall, it would be a lot harder, but this is, you know, 60 inch by 30 inch wide safe. So we spun this safe 90 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to lean it here and walk it down just a little bit and just lean it nice and easy and make sure it's secure. Now it's stable on there, still on the pallet, but you notice that it's sitting on the ground. Now I'm going to go to the other side of it, and you're going to see me, I'm going to push up on this safe, and it's solid right now, it's on the ground. You don't want to push it so hard that it goes that way, obviously, but you can feel where that tipping point is. And I'm just going to simply push up on it, just simply like that. Kick this out of the way, and then just walk this down. And just like that, the safe is on the ground. I hope that helps you when you receive your safe on how to get a gun safe off of a pallet when you receive it. Thank you for watching that video. I hope it's going to help you with the ability to get your safe off of your pallet. Actually, right now we're going to film a video on how to bolt down a safe. So if you're interested in how to bolt down a safe to a concrete foundation, we're going to put that video right up here. If you don't mind giving a little like also on this video and maybe subscribe, it encourages us to make more videos. Thank you very much.